An annotation profile determines how to process textual content during a crawling job. A profile uses text mining annotators to process content using a variety of machine learning models. To view existing profiles, click Annotations and then Profiles. You can see the type of crawler that the profile supports, including content repositories and local documents, web pages, and Twitter. To view more information about a profile or to edit the profile, click View Edit. The default annotation profiles are read-only. If you want to edit one of these profiles, you must clone the profile to create a copy. You can also test a profile to see how different settings affect analysis. And you can make a profile the default for a particular language and document type. For example, web pages in French. Let's take a closer look at a profile. General and Advanced are two options for providing settings. You should edit the settings on only one of these tabs, but not both. If you want to change the settings using a simple graphic interface, use the General settings. If you want to change the settings using an XML-based interface, or want to configure custom text mining models, use the Advanced settings. For more about Magellan Text Mining, check out the other videos in this series.